Hi guys, this video I will show you how to solve Roblox upgrade problem. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. Tap on Roblox. Player storage and player change. Enable all permission allow. Open Play Store. Roblox upgrade check. And Roblox upgrade check it. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe YouTube channel. Thank you.